Here we go. Hold that there. Rightio. Tony here from Grandad's Junk. Something real special happening today, guys. We're going to put this windmill generator up. So, yes, check it out, mate. Remember, safety first, guys. Safety first. Here we go, here we go, here we go.
Safety first with the cover leather.
Oh dear.
Yeah.
Oh, well, I gave it to you.
No, I can carry it.
Yeah, you go first. I gave it to you.
Now hold this lever, okay?
Yeah. You go first.
Give it, yeah, I can hang on to it.
Don't do that to me.
Yeah.
Right, down to the end. That's when you get to the hole. It's going to work or not. Alright, get the cork down below there. Cork down there, that's it.
It's not below.
No, it's getting caught halfway down.
Yeah.
With the other, with another hole in it.
Twist it around.
Yeah. Idiot thing.
Is it going?
No. Idiot. It's getting stuck down there. It's real tough. Hang on, can I get you? Dutchie?
Yeah.
Hang on, and sweet, hang on, right there. Oh, wait a minute. Hang on, wait a minute. It's getting caught down there. It's alright. So, hey, Sweet Pea, do a bit of string there, please, mate. On the ground, in the middle there, right there.
Oh yeah.
I'll top up a bit more steady. I'll get it a bit more steady.
Ready?
Yep. Here we go, see? I'll put the plumb bolt down here for you, see? Yeah, a bit more steady. Make it a bit more steady, okay? I can get a bit higher there. A bit more steady, I can get a bit higher, a bit steady, you know what I'm saying?
No, it is okay. It is okay, but it twists it anyway. You can go up, you hold yourself on the steel.
You ready?
Yeah. Hold yourself on your steel, it's fine. How big is the hole?
It's pretty big.
Do you want me to get a piece of bamboo for you to try and stick it down there?
Yeah, you can try that. Hey, I think you could put a plumb bob down there and pull it up, eh? We're going to have to cut it.
Yeah, maybe.
We're going to pull it up.
Put that string, take that string that you got in your hand,
Yeah.
and bring that down.
weight on it, doesn't it? I need a weight on it.
Yeah, but you haven't got a weight, and then
I have got one.
try to bring it through.
It's got to be nicky in it. It needs a weight on it. Give it straight.
But then something, yeah,
I have a weight
yeah,
and a fishing line. I was going to do it with a fishing line.
yeah.
It's going to get like it's down, right?
Okay, come down. Oh,
Here we go. Here we go. Need a weight on it. There it is there. See it? It's hitting me now. It's going to go down. It's not going down. It's going to go down.
yeah. How big is the hole?
Oh, about that big.
How big?
About there.
Oh, that's small.
Hey?
That's small.
I've got a weight. I've put a weight on it.
Do you have a wire? Just a
I was
wire?
going to use a fishing line to put it down there to get this thing to go. Hang on. That will do. Hang on. I've got a weight. I've got a weight. I've got a weight there. And then I can put it. I'll get a weight. I'll get a fishing weight.
Wait on, because I want this to be better for you to get down.
You do it, sweet pea. Have no fear about that.
I'm holding it.
Okay, sweet pea. Thank you, my sweet poppies. Hang on, Dutchie. I'll get a weight.
You wee bit more.
Wait there, mate. I'm going to get a weight.
There you go.
That's not even straight. Hang on. I'm going to get a
I
weight.
know. Yeah, but over there it's going to fall down.
Yeah, I'll go get a weight. I've got a weight there. I'll get a weight. Hang on, Dutchie, I've got a weight here. Hang on, Dutchie. Hang on, Dutchie, brother. How far? That nail ain't very good at for. How big is that hole, you reckon? Would that fit down it, you reckon? That there?
And is that possible to
Nothing here for you, idiot. Come on, chicken, you're a lunatic. Calm down. That's about right. Eat that then. Ugh. Hang on. Ah, here's a good one. Here, this one here will be. This is what you want. This one here. Use one of these suckers. Perfect. Look at that, Dutchie. I can get things untangled. Here. Use these here. This will be perfect. Here, I'll take the hook off here. And I can lower it down. This should be perfect. I know, Mrs. Come on, Mrs. Chicken, you're an idiot. Calm down, mate, calm down. I wouldn't go grabbing that for you, matey. It won't be a good day. That much I can tell much right where we go. Get this hair off here. It will not be a good day for you to grab a hold of that hook. Pretty cool. Hey, a plan D, matey? Come on, you lunatic, just calm down. Yeah, good girl. Okay.
How heavy is that?
Yeah, oh, it's heavy as, mate. 10 tonnes.
Doesn't it?
Okay. It'll be 10 tonnes for a mouse. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, this will work.
Let me.
Oh, but I'll get the fishing line, okay, in case it might work out better.
Well, maybe do it on here.
Oh, yeah. What? Yeah. It won't work on that.
Why not?
Hang on. Look at this here.
Do you want this?
Then it goes straight
Tony?
to the hole.
Hey? Oh, thank you, sweet. Oh, see? Come that's how it works. Take your sweet property. These guys in the Netherlands, they've got no idea. Oh, where'd the tape go ahead? That'll work. That's going to work.
Is it going?
Yeah.
It's going straight, eh?
Yeah, it'll go good. To get that in the hole,
Yeah, then, yeah.
and you're right.
Yeah. And then just feeding it.
Yeah, just to get things started.
Yeah.
Get it started. If I fall down, Dutchie,
Yeah.
you're going to come with me.
Yeah, then we call the ambulance.
Are you going to catch me?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Okay, you ready, Dutchie?
Yeah.
Look at that. Easy as pie.
Yeah, we're not there yet.
We'll be shortly. Look at that. There you go there. Oh no. Not get your fishing line fresh.
Yeah, but then you got still the problem.
No, you won't. You can pull it through.
If that hole is that big, what you told me, then it should be should go.
Yeah, but you've got to get lined up. In the hole, that's the hard trick part. It screws together. See, no one listens to me, even knows it all except me. I'll get the fishing line. Hang on. I've got the fishing line, Dutch, and I'll put the fishing line on. Now, see, it's not lining up here. I've got the fishing line, I've got the fishing line. I'll put it on here. Fingers. I just want to leave it.
Put the fishing line here on the bottom, and then we
I
go up.
can climb up here. Yeah. Yeah. Grab this here, Betsy. I'll get up and you get it out. Take my dog. Yeah. This will be better, I think. Do this here with it. This will be better, I think. Not like this here. Here. Hang on. Fishing on it. Fishing on it. Then we can pull it up or down. You know what I'm saying, brotherhood?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so look here. And that's hard work, old sweet pea, isn't it, eh?
Yeah, but
That's idiot. Here we go. What, here we go.
now hopefully that is working.
This will work better, surely. Yeah. I think it goes better. There's a fishing line here, close here. Here we go here. So stubborn. We'll pop this through first before joining it. Hang on. Never easy, is it?
No, I don't know what is there. I don't know what it is.
Well, that part there, it's got to get into the screw part here that inside that pipe. I'm trying to get it in, trying to do it.
Better undo it and then put it through and then.
Yeah, that pipe's flipping heavy as can be.
So it doesn't work. fishing line either. It doesn't work what you're doing now.
It's not, we can always unscrew it.
Okay, unscrew it then.
The whole big bit, this pipe here,
Yeah,
flipping heavy.
yeah.
Come on.
But it's not working now.
I don't know what. I'm just trying to get the hole, get in the middle of the hole from here. Pretty ignorant, isn't it?
Yeah.
Never easy. Is it?
Not that way. See, it's not working.
No.
Undo it, the whole lot. That's what it is.
Hey, this is made in Holland, sure.
Maybe you have it upside down.
I mean, this is white, this is white. This is Gary's idea, this here was. I thought, well, you should put it through first. Oh, no. Oh, okay, stick it down in, so we did
No,
it.
come down and undo it. So this is not working. Tony,
Yeah,
it is enough.
it will get there eventually.
Yeah.
It's pretty hit and miss.
It is not dark yet, so
Yeah, go
a couple of hours to go.
No, what's wrong with you guys? Hey, Sweet Pea. What's wrong with people? Hey, today's a national, it's a holiday today, West Coast anniversary.
Okay, we go for a holiday.
Hey?
Then we go for a holiday. Tony, it's not working.
Are all you Dutch people impatient?
Tony, Leonard.
Probably that. That's probably
Yeah,
what my cookie for.
This is not the way to do it.
I'm starting to regret it.
Wasting time. That's what we're doing now.
Okay.
Come down. Unscrew it, and then
You have to help me hold this pole while you got it. It's flipping heavy. Just not getting into the hole. Flipping useless. Isn't it? It's unbelievable. Yeah. Hang on. Yeah. Oh, now it's caught on that. Hang on. How do I move that? Hang on. Hey, Sweet Pea. It's a crack up, isn't it? Hang on.
One way of putting it.
Hey, Sweet Poppy.
come back tomorrow.
Yeah?
No. We get this done today.
No, Tony.
I got the pipe tongs. Let's unscrew it.
Yeah, come. We get this because you have to undo the ladder as well.
That won't take much. 5 seconds.
We don't need the ladder anymore.
Well, you will.
No,
You still got to get up there and put the windmill on.
they put the windmill on straight away.
Or hang and get it up there. You won't be able to hold it.
Of course, we can.
You won't be able to hold that.
Yeah, we can.
Do you think so?
Yes,
Really?
yes.
Okay, let's go. I'll get the pipe tongs and we'll undo it.
And undo the ladder as well.
Yeah, a full Monty. Undo the full Monty.
Hang on.
Let the pipe tongs.
I'll hold the...
That's all I've got. I've got my Sweet Pea. Have no fear. Have no fear. I mean, have no fear. Just have no fear. Hang on. Oh, you make it hard for me, touching.
This is a working day today.
I know, I'm working.
A working day.
Hang on. Hey, you got Tony. Tony's working. Working on. Tony's working. Hang on, matey. I'll get the windmill and bring it up.
No, first undo this stuff here.
You're killing me! You're killing me! Dutchy, you're killing me! Okay, let's get this done. There's got to be an easier way than this, surely. Hell, bells.
And the other thing is you drill a hole in on the top.
Hey?
Another way, drill a hole on the top, and then the wire come out.
Well, there's a hole. One, it's just, there's 2 bits screwed together, you see. That's what the big buzz is. Ugh. What this here off? I'll undo this up here. Hang on. This here up here.
a nice documentary.
Hey, here. Like mentioned how you don't do this sort of
A
stuff.
nice documentary.
Right?
That's for the begin till the end, no result.
Hey, guess what? this is a post-apocalyptic one. They happen after the apocalypse. That's how you fix things. You know what I'm saying? How else are you going to do it?
That's good enough.
Right?
Fine.
That is trying to make the floor already.
300 nuts everywhere.
Here we can need it. Gotta hold my big fat carcass.
300 nuts.
355. No, that's only 299 knots. One left. That's enough there.
Undo it.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's alright. Get some light age back. I'm going to work how hard it actually is. Now I can't rip it undo it, okay?
yeah.
Pretty cool. Now don't let this thing's falling over. Bloody heavy. I think I understand how heavy this actually is. Now, now. Yeah. Now it's going to stay in there. Yeah. There you go. Now we're coming in. That's it. Now, that's it. Pig got spinning around, have you? Then we'll fit the. Now, this is bloody heavy, Dutch. I'm telling you, it's no shit. It's very heavy. It's not for like faint-hearted. It's gonna come off.
Yeah.
It's gonna come off.
It can go up now. Up. I can understand that it doesn't go in that hole.
You're gonna come off.
Bloody hell.
Hang on, let's fit it through. We'll fit the stuff through and put it through there and put it back on. Hang on, back to this. Hang on, back to this. We'll fit this here through there.
Do it soon. There's 3 and 3, sweet pea. Put it through first. I'll put it back on. Be careful, Dutchy boy. You're out of control. It's coming out? No, not yet.
Will be in a minute.
I don't see anything yellow.
Hang on, pick up the end of it. Hang on, Dutchy.
Is there something stuck in the pipe, dear?
Yeah, I'm trying to get it through. Yeah. Yeah. There's a way through here. There you go. Through now?
No, not yet.
It's getting close, surely.
Well, have you checked to make sure there's nothing stuck in the pipe?
What's going on?
So put it down. Why hold it?
Right.
Put it down.
Well, because it's...
Put it down.
And why don't you have a look to see if there's something stuck in the pipe, dear?
Something stuck in the pipe.
Because... Hey, sweet pea. That'd be too easy, ain't it? Here, put the weight through. Hang on. Hang on, Dutchiness. Here.
And be careful, dear.
I will be careful. I'll be so careful, I'm going to tear it for you. How careful we are. Where'd that weight go? Hang on, Dutchy. It'll just be buckling up. So what are we doing? Hang on, Dutchy. Here. Put this here in it. This is perfect. Here, put this here in it, Dutchy. Put the fishing wire through it. Here, this would be the way to go here. Put the fishing wire through it. And there, it'll come out. Then you put it in. Pretty cool. You pull that, just pull that sucker out, just pull her out. Pull her out. Pull her out, I'll put the here for it. Just pull her out. That's clean. It's clean. It's nothing else.
What? What is it there?
Ah, there's a small hole here. That's
Yeah.
the trouble. There's a small hole here. It's hitting it. That's it. I put it up the other way. Up the other way. Mate, there's a thing here. If you're hitting against it, I'll put up, take it out, I'll put it this way. And we're fine. Suit yourself then, got the hard way, Dutchy.
Yeah, the hard way. You're talking about the hard way. That's the start, the hard way. Documentary.
Oh, I got, here, put this line through.
No, put it from there.
Okay. There you go.
You will be sleeping tonight.
Hey, Patsy, you're killing me, Patsy, you're killing me!
Come, put it through.
There, yeah. Pick this up, I will pick this up.
No, put it through.
Well, it won't get uphill.
Of course, it goes.
It's going to go uphill for me. Got pipe, this pipe. Fucking heavy, isn't it? Must be hitting at the end up there. They must be hitting up there, is it? Oh, here we go. Is it hitting up there, Dutchy, is it? Must be hitting up there. I don't know why I need to down pushing one like there. Oh, Dutchy.
Here, this one doesn't go out
Hang on.
either.
Aye?
Here, that stops there as well.
How's that? Just
Here. It's the same problem here.
that's what. How's that?
Yeah, I can't go through.
Nah, it hit the ground.
Which
Oh,
one?
it did sound good, didn't it? This is going to be a fucking disaster.
It doesn't go.
Did you look inside it before you put it up, dear?
Yeah, the whole lot. It gets narrow because the blue part goes on. Yeah. Hang on. We just wait for it, eh? You just wait, go. Here. It might be easier to get it to halfway than get it all the way, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I can see it down there. Yeah. What's happened to it, honey?
To what?
That weight.
Does it go?
I can't see anything.
At the bottom?
Well, here, I'll put this down. There's a wee bottle on the ground.
A what?
There we go. Wee bottle.
Okay.
Right, hang on. It's not sharp, is it?
No.
No, it's tiny, the hole.
Yeah. Well,
Hang on.
how long are those things you've got, your big long stakes?
Oh,
plastic ones and run them down it.
The only is this one here, those holes, they fit with the windmill?
There's
Yep.
rust all in it. Hang on.
Yeah, that came with the windmill, that plate.
Hang on, there's rust all in it. I'm getting it
Okay.
out. Hang on.
Is that camera still going? It's still filming, is it, honey? Or you paused it?
No, I'm just still going.
Still going?
Right, now try it because I've cleared that blockage.
Flipping nuisance, isn't it?
We've got to get it in that small piece, you see.
Yeah, but it goes small at each end.
Can you grind it off, that piece?
Oh, you could, yeah.
Grind that piece off.
The top part will be the same part at the top though.
Oh, yep, got another bit come through.
More coming. It must be getting close to coming through, surely.
What you can do maybe a plastic pipe.
Yeah. Hey, honey.
Yeah, hang on, I'm trying to get the stuff out for you.
Oh, okay.
Yep, there's a whole heap. Yep, you're getting it coming out now.
Oh, there you go.
That's it, keep going.
No, it stopped.
Hang
On
on.
the ground.
There we go. Now it's down.
There you go, on the ground. Cool. Pull that sucker out, honey.
How far?
Just whatever.
No, leave it there.
We're going to run the pipe through it.
No, this one here.
Yeah. We're going to have to cut.
Pull it up.
Hey?
On the outside.
Yeah. Oh, get to here. We can pull the thing up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hang on. I'm just going to video it.
On the bottom nut.
That it's come through.
Pull that.
That's it there.
Then get the other side.
Right, do you want me to stop it for a bit?
Yeah, just pause it. You ready? You're going to do a rolling hitch.
I can't see anything in here. I can't see anything, dear.
Hey? Can't you?
No, I don't know what's going on.
Do a
Has it
rolling.
turned the wrong way or something?
Hey, what's happening?
It says nothing.
What's happening? What's going on with it?
It looks like it's stopped. So how do you see
It's still going. Just do a rolling hitch, you see. Otherwise it just won't work. Otherwise it will not work.
Hold on, something went there.
Is it going, is it?
I don't know.
You're going to do a rolling hitch or it just won't hold it otherwise. It will just come off. Okay. Quietly, Dutchie, I'll feed it through. There you go. Is it working, honey, is it? Have you got it, Dutchie?
Ah, now it is.
Now, if you get me the tube over there, the tube,
For what?
there, the hose.
What hose?
The hose there.
Oh, that grey one.
Yeah.
That won't fit in it. It's too thick.
No, I think, Tom, to give it to me.
Is that working now, honey? Is it that thing?
Yeah.
Cool. Here's Butchie.
There was a button I pushed up the top. I don't know what that
Oh,
does,
Throw
but
it up.
Now we're getting there. Now we're getting there. God, up here,
Can you see?
make sure that other end doesn't have rust in it like the other pipe
Oh, I
did,
see.
dear.
How much was in it? Quite a lot, was it, honey?
Yep.
Have a look. But
Up the middle, smaller piece.
is it full?
Oh, feel like it was good. Keep going.
No, you do it from the end, dear, because that's the only way it came out before.
Yeah, I can